In this video, I'm going to show you how to make text appear one by one on Canva. So the first step will be to highlight the text and select the type of animation you want it to have. You need to first give it an animation effect. Animation effect to sort of agree the direction or what direction you want the text to be coming in from. So I'm just going to give all the text a pan effect. Um, all of them would have a pan effect. Now, if you notice why I'm giving them the animation effect, you'd notice that they are all coming in at the same time, which is not exactly what we want, right? So, which is not exactly what we want. So the next step after this would be to highlight each um, text, which we already did here. Then highlight the second one and drag it off a little bit. Highlight the next one. You're dragging it to start after the first one, but you're not adjusting the end of it. You're just adjusting only the beginning to start so that it gives it some time to come in after the first text. That's just the secret. So you add the next one, highlight the next one, it's going to pop here. You adjust it again. So it's going to be creating more like a ladder effect, right? Then you highlight this one again and drag it all the way. So this way, when you play your video, you will notice the text are coming in one after the other. I'm just going to repeat that again so that you could see. Now you can see all the texts are coming in one by one because we followed this arrangement. If you distort this arrangement, you're going to get a different result entirely. So that's about it. That's how to make text appear one by one on Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you.